Welcome to DKR Info channel. In this video, we will start right from the basics. What is Java, where it is used, and what makes it one of the most powerful programming languages in the world. So, let us start to learn what is Java. Java is a high-level, object-oriented, and platform-independent programming language. It was developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems in 1995 and now maintained by Oracle Corporation. Java is often called a write once, run anywhere language, meaning once you write Java code, it can run on any device that has a Java virtual machine. It's one of the most widely used languages for software development, from small applications to enterprise level systems. Imagine you build a Java application on Windows. The same program can run on Mac or Linux without changing the code. That's the power of Java. In the next video, we will learn the uses of Java programming. Thank you for watching DKR Info channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned.